morning, everyone. This is going to be a quick little video. I decided to make my daughter and I matching St. Patrick's Day shirts, but we're going to actually wear them today. I did use glitter, the grass green glitter vinyl, and then I used the metallic chameleon green vinyl as well. Look at it, and it changed colors depending on what color shirt you have, but of course these are white shirts, so sometimes it looks gold, sometimes it looks green. But anyway, the purpose of this video is I decided I'm gonna make me some earrings to go with it. So I already cut my faux leather, and I showed you guys in a previous video how to cut faux leather with your Cricut, and I already cut out my vinyl, and I'm just using regular HTV vinyl, and I got my, all right. And then I'm gonna lay my HTV. It's not the same. Sorry, y'all. I have my baby in one arm and holding the camera with the other. Alright. So I have my vinyl laid down on my earrings, so now I'm just gonna press. Alright, so I made the mistake of letting the press stay down a little too long. I let it stay down for 7 seconds, and as you can see, it burned it a little bit. So I'm going to remake mine. Alright, y'all, so I remade the earring. So I would recommend the temperature being maybe 275, 300, and don't press no more than like 5 seconds because it will burn. So I remade my earrings. So that's my earrings with the matching shirt. Cute, cute. If you have any questions, please leave your questions down in the comments below. I did get my vinyl and my t-shirts from my local vinyl store, which is Love Leo Vinyl and Apparel. I will link that below. If you have any questions, any kind of videos that you want to see, if something you want to learn, comment that down below as well. Sorry, that's my daughter. Gotta go. Like this video, guys.